Filter vault maintenance will vary based on the manufacturer of your filter vault. Maintenance requires a confined space permit and specialized equipment, so must be left to professionals. Check with your local jurisdiction to confirm which type of filter vault you have. Filter vaults consist of an underground concrete storage vault to hold stormwater and cylindrical cartridges that filter pollutants as stormwater passes through them. Over time, filtration media inside the cartridges will need to be replaced to maintain performance standards. Sediment, trash, debris, and oils can also accumulate in the vault and must be removed. Staff from your local jurisdiction will inspect your filter vault for defects, which include accumulated sediment, debris, oil, and damaged pipes or baffles. If defects are found, you'll need to hire a contractor for maintenance. Contact your local jurisdiction for information about inspections and requirements specific to your stormwater facility.